Hello everybody, how you guys been doing, and welcome back to our channel Tech World, where people's guide videos. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can redeem your Apple gift card. So by redeem your Apple gift card, you can buy anything in Apple, like let's say your Apple gift card is worth $10. After you redeem that $10 is going to be saved on an Apple ID, and with an Apple ID you can buy anything worth $10 on the Apple Store. Alright, so with that out of the way, I think you know what Apple gift card is going to do. Now let me show you guys how we guys can redeem it. And in order to redeem it, you need to have iTunes installed on your PC. How you guys can do that is just like click on this Windows icon at the bottom corner of the screen and go on versus Microsoft Store. Once you go on Microsoft Store, wait until it opens up. Once it opens up, at the top you want to search for iTunes. Now after you search for iTunes over here, iTunes is going to show up over here. Once iTunes shows up, you can download it. After you download it, you can log and interact on it. There's going to be installed button, but since I've already downloaded it, it's going to show me open once you install and log in into iTunes account. What you need to do is go on your Chrome or any searching unit one, and you want to write a BBLA Apple gift card RED and redeem. Once you search for Apple gift card redeem, you want to click on how to redeem your Apple gift card. It's going to take this website over here. You can see how you guys can redeem a gift card on your Apple's phone over here. But for PC, you can just click on redeem your gift card and wait for some time, and it's going to ask you to open your iTunes. So click on open iTunes. Your iTunes will automatically open up, so wait for some time. And then for iTunes doesn't open up, you can just open up manually as well by searching for it and opening. Once you're over here, you need to enter your Apple ID and your passport and click on sign in to do that. I'm going to do that now. Once it opens up, wait for some time. And over here you need to enter your gift card's code, so whichever digit and number and symbol is given in your gift card, type it over here, click on redeem, and your gift card will be redeemed. So yeah, that's how we guys can redeem your gift card. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our channel. Tech World, I'll see you guys next time.